So Caden went ahead and mixed us up some pancake batter. A box of that stuff is like 3.5 gallons, and then 2 quarts of water. So we got our spray hopper. Got the air compressor set to 30 psi. So we're just gonna fill this up and spray it on this test piece of plywood that we have here, so we can see if we can get the spray pattern good, and then we're gonna get started.
It's gonna be a mess to fill up.
You think so? I think filling that up should probably be like the very last thing that we do.
Oh yeah.
So, okay. Got a test piece. We're still at 30 psi.
Yep.
Sweet. So we hook that up to our hopper. Should have plenty of hose. Oh, yeah, it's like a shut-off valve essentially. So what you do, once you fill it up, variable speed trigger, so the more you pull it back, the more it's gonna spray on the wall. If it gets clogged up, just put your hand over it and hit it there, and it'll like bubble up through the top. It's a heavy thing.
What you want, just a little bit?
Pancake batter. I'm not upset at it. Spray a hopper and then we'll swap.
Yeah. He's a little bit.
That thing's heavy, man. You got like a gallon of mud in there.
To get mixed up. It's like clay and water. You got.
So we are all done spraying the texture on here. You can kind of see maybe the rolling texture from the roller on these doors. I didn't do anything extra to the doors. We just sprayed them heavy and then put the roller to it. Now these walls in here, we did the same thing. We sprayed it heavy, then we ran the roller on it. And then I came back and I just kind of put a real light coat of some more texture on it. So it's got some little bubbles in it like this on top of the roll texture. Not sure exactly how that's gonna look once it's all said and done, but I'm really hoping that the randomness of the spray texture on top of the roller is really gonna hide the texture of the OSB wood behind it. So we'll have two different looks. We'll have the roll plus a little light spray on it, and then on the doors we'll have just the straight roll texture, and then on the ceiling we have just the spray texture. So we went about it 3 different ways. We got 3 different patterns. So once this is all said and done, we can look and see how each one compares and how they look. So we got on the ceiling, just spray texture. On the walls, we sprayed, rolled it, and then sprayed it again. And then on the doors, we sprayed it and rolled it. So we got the roll plus spray, and then just the spray. But we won't get to see how that actually looks until we get done with the paint. Now that this is all textured, we're going to have to wait 3 days before we can paint. So that's going to be, today's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So Monday around this same time, we'll be able to come back in and paint. I'm probably going to be doing dirt work, so it might get an extra day for this stuff to dry out completely. But that's pretty much it for the grooming shop for this week. I have a couple other projects that I'm going to get my helper to work on with the skid steer, and then beyond that, we'll see you next week.